are strings in Java and how are you going to use them? So on this video, we're going to learn Java strings and some of the different methods that you can use with strings. And if you want to learn more about Java and other programming languages, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tutorial videos. So first, what are strings? These are texts that have two or more letters that are stored on a variable. For example, we have this string, the variable is some text. So kung titingnan natin, yung string po natin nakalagay siya sa double quote and we have the text. Okay, so two or more yung letters po niya. This tells Java to set up a string object with the character JAVA. Depende po dun sa text or string na nilagay po natin. Here are some of the methods that we can use with Java strings. First, we have the to uppercase and to lowercase. To uppercase is used to convert string to uppercase, of course. Then, the lowercase method is used to convert characters on the string to lowercase. So, let's try. So, I'll be using Apache Netbeans for this one. So, kung hindi pa natin alam kung paano gumawa ng project with Apache Netbeans, I'll be placing the link down below or sa taas ng screen nyo para mapanood nyo on how to create project with Netbeans. Okay, so here I created the project named Java Application 1. Of course, automatic na itong mailalagay if we use the ant. And nag-import na lang din ako ng scanner. Okay, so we're going to get string na lang po kay user para hindi pare-pareho yung string natin. Okay, so depende po kung ano yung input ni user, yun po ang magiging string po natin. Okay, then here, I created an object for the scanner. So kung hindi pa natin alam kung paano gumamit ng scanner, I'll be placing the link down below or dyan sa taas ng screen nyo yung video natin on how to use a scanner with Java. Here, let's create a variable named SomeText. And this variable, kukunin natin again yung data niya or yung laman niya dun kay user. So, ito po yung nadagdag natin. We have ST. This is the object name for our scanner. And gagamit na lang tayo ngayon dito ng next line to get the data or text kay user. So, maglagay na lang tayo dito ng prompt na mag-enter si user ng string. So, after that, convert na natin siya ng to upper and to lower. So here guys, meron akong nilagay na system.out.print. Print lang ang gamitin natin dito para in line with the result mamaya. And to uppercase, nakalimutan ko yung letter E. So same pala with the enter string para yung insertion point natin mamaya in line dun sa enter a string na text po natin. Then now, another print for the output. Okay, so here we use println naman para ma-separate naman siya with the lowercase mamaya. Or pwede din naman nating i-concatenate yung text with the result. Okay, so let's try. Gumamit lang tayo dito ng plus sign. So we have here some text that to uppercase, wala po siyang parameter or argument inside the parentheses. Same with the to lower case. Okay, so let's try to run this program. Dito sa may output box natin, makikita natin we have our string na enter as string. Okay, so maglagay lang tayo dito. Let's say hello. Then, click lang natin or press lang natin yung enter key. Makikita po natin na yung to uppercase, naka-uppercase po lahat ng letter. Yung to lowercase, of course, naka-lowercase lahat ng letter. Next method, we have index of. So, for the index of, it returns the index within the string of the first occurrence of the specified substring. Here, hindi na lang natin siya tatanggalin. Maglagay na lang ulit tayo dito ng isa pang print. Okay, so let's print the output. Let's say dito sa my print natin, we're going to find the index of L. Sabihin lang natin mag-enter tayo dito ng word na hello. Then, we're going to locate the index of L. So, gumamit ulit tayo dito ng concatenation na lang para isang print na lang ang ilalagay natin. So here guys, meron tayo ng variable natin na SomeText. Then yung method natin na index of. Inside the parentheses, makikita natin we have a string. String po siya kasi nakalagay siya sa double quote. Yung letter L po natin. Pwede pong text ang ilagay din natin dyan. Or pwede din namang isang letter lang. Let's say kapag L lang, that is a character. Pwede lang din po siya. Okay? Now let's try. So again, let's try to enter the word hello. So, makikita natin dito sa index of L, ang makikita natin na result is 2. Okay, so pang ilang index daw ba siya? We have 0, 1, and 2. So, ang i-display po niya is yung first na nagpakita yung letter or yung text na hinahanap po natin. So, paano kapag yung in-input ni user walang letter L? Ano kaya ang output? So, let's say we have Java. Pag-enter natin dyan, makikita natin index of L. Dun sa word na Java, walang L. Okay, the result is negative 1. Ma'am, bakit hindi siya 0? Okay, the reason is, ang 0 po is yung first na index. Okay, so dito naman sa car@, na method, index ang ilalagay natin sa loob ng parentheses. Dito, it will return the character value of a specific index. So dito na lang sa baba ng index of, let's have, so sabihin na lang natin index 4 muna siya. And gagamit na lang tayo dito again ng concatenation. Okay, so here we have variable sumText, yung method natin na car@, okay, and yung index na gusto nating tanungin. Okay, so we have index 4. Okay, let's try. So again, type na lang natin hello. So dito, makikita natin na yung character at index 4 is the letter O. Again, bilangin na lang natin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So paano naman po kapag walang laman dun sa index 4? So paano kapag ang type ni user is Java? Kikita natin, we have an error. Okay? So, dito sa error natin, naka-display, index out of bound. Kasi wala namang index 4 dun sa string. Next, we have the substring. For the substring, guys, it will return a string that is a substring of the current string. Kung dun sa car@ specific letter lang or isang letter lang i-display, sa substring, letters ang makukuha po natin and string po ang data type po niya. Okay, here we have string na lang na substring. Wala na akong maiisip. So, for the substring, guys, pwedeng dalawa yung ilalagay natin dyan na parameter or isa lang. Okay, so pwedeng yung beginning lang. Pag yung beginning lang, beginning hanggang sa last na letter ay ibibigay niya na result. Or pwede din namang beginning index and ending index. Okay, so here, let's try beginning lang muna. Okay, so let's say we're going to start at index 4 and let's see kung ano yung magiging output po niya. So here, let's try to enter again the word hello again. So, dalawa na po yung word natin. Hello again. Here, makikita natin yung substring natin. Alam naman natin na ang index 4 is yung letter O dun sa word na hello. Kaya po meron tayong O. And nasama po yung space and yung word na again. So, here makikita natin na from the starting index, yung letter po natin na O, hanggang dun sa pinaka last na index or last na letter. So, what if maglagay naman tayo ng ending? So, let's say, starting from index 4, mag-end siya ng, let's say, index 8. Okay? So, ikama lang natin siya, starting, ending. So, dito guys, hello again ang ilalagay natin. So, for the substring, we have yung letter O, then, hanggang G lang po. Ma'am, bakit hindi na ilagay si index 8? Hanggang dun naman pala siya. Okay? So, for the ending guys, ending minus 1 basically ang nilalagay. Kaya po hindi na isama yung letter A. Next, we have compare to. Compare to is used to compare two string lexicographically. O kaya mahirap basahin. The comparison is based on the Unicode value of each character in the string. So, medyo mahirap siyang intindihin. Let's try na lang dun sa program. For this one, guys, gagamit tayo ng dalawang string. So, tatanggalin na lang na muna natin to. And let's create another string. So, kopihin lang natin to. We have string 1, sumtext 1. We have string 2, sumtext 2. Okay, so kuha tayo ng dalawang string or text dun kay user. Then we're going to compare yung dalawang string na in-input ni user based on their Unicode. So we have here compare to as or from. Gumamit na lang ulit tayo dito ng concatenation. Concatenate natin yung result ng dalawa. Okay, so we have sumtext 1. Compare to kung anong string yung pinagko-comparean natin. Okay, so we're going to compare that to sumtext 2. Palitan natin tong T ng R. Wrong spelling. Then, let's try to run. So, dito sa my output, guys, let's say cat and bat ang input ni user. So, makikita natin that yung compare to niya, 1 ang result. So, integer po ang return nung compare to po natin. Okay? So, ang basis po niyan is Unicode value. And this, 1. So, makikita natin yung letter C is 67 while yung B is 66. Kaya po, 1. Paano yung A and T? Same lang naman sila ng ASCII code or letter. That's why 0 po siya. Hindi na po may lalagay yung 0. Then, let's try letter C, capital letter C, and capital letter A. Makikita natin, ang result po niya is 2. Again, C is 67, A is 65. Pag pinag-subtract po natin yan, 2 ang return. Next, we have the equals. Equals are used to compare strings and it will return true or false value. Okay? So, inside the parentheses is yung string na gusto nating i-compare. Here, similar lang naman sila kay compare to, pero ang pinagkaiba, true or false na ang ibibigay ng equals. So, now we have sumtext1 that equals sumtext 2. So, dito sa may output, same, cat and bat naman ang ilalagay ulit natin. So, we know that cat and bat are not the same kasi letter C ito and letter B ito. That's why the result is false. Okay? So, you can have multiple runs if you want. Next, we have trim. Trim is used to remove all the spaces on the left and right part of the string. So, for the trim, isang text na lang gagamitin natin. So, tanggalin na lang natin yung pag-enter natin ng sumtext 2. So, we added 2 line of codes. Here, we have system.out.print, yung no trim po natin, yung original text na input natin. And another, we have system.out.print with trim. Okay, so gagamit tayo dito ng trim method. And wala po siyang parameter or argument inside the parentheses. Okay, now let's try. So, let's say si user nakapag-input ng maraming spaces before siya nag-type nung text niya or naglagay siya ng mga spaces dun sa dulo. So, makikita natin na dun sa no trim, nalagay pa rin yung mga spaces na tinype ni user. While sa with trim na method, wala na po yung spaces sa dulo. So, that's guys, we're done with Java strings and the methods that you can use with strings. So, kung nakatulong tong video na to, don't forget to like. And kung gusto mo pang matuto about computer programming and other computer stuff, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tutorial videos. Bye!